Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will see how to fix a blurry camera on MacBook Pro. So first of all, let's clean the camera lens. At the top center of your MacBook screen, you will see the small circular camera lens. Use a clean and dry microfiber cloth to gently wipe the lens. Sometimes fingerprints, dust, or smudges on the camera can make the video look blurry or unclear. Make sure not to use tissues or rough cloths because they can leave scratches on the lens. If the camera is still blurry, let's check for macOS updates. From the bottom menu, click on System Settings to open it. Once the Settings panel opens, from the left side, open the General section. From the right side, click on Software Update. Here, make sure your MacBook is running the latest version of macOS. Sometimes camera bugs or image processing issues are fixed through macOS updates, so installing the latest update can help solve the problem. If updates are available, download and install them. Now let's close the settings panel and check the camera effects. Press Command plus space on your keyboard to open Spotlight Search. Here, type Photo Booth and press Enter. Once Photo Booth opens, check from the right side if any camera effects or filters are applied. If you see any effects enabled, remove or disable them. Sometimes camera filters can make the image appear blurry or distorted. After removing the effects, test your camera again and check if the issue is fixed. And that's it. This is how you can fix a blurry camera on MacBook Pro. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more such videos, subscribe to my channel and thank you for watching.